Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Chairman of the newly constituted board of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Tinubu'S, says the board will be guided in its daily operations by the principles of the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Tinubu'S gave the assurance in Abuja during the inauguration of the board by the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Abubakar Momo, on behalf of President Bola Tinubu.
Few months after their appointment in August this year, members of the NDDC governing board were inaugurated recently by Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo, who urged them to unleash the potentials of the Niger Delta region for the overall good of the country. In his response, Chairman of the newly inaugurated 17-member NDDC governing board, Mr. Tinubu'S, said his team would be guided by the renewed hope agenda of the President Tinubu administration.
The board will stand on the pedestal of Mr. President's renewed hope mantra. We will look back at the vision and history of NDDC's 23-year existential journey, aligning it with current realities and the objectives of the current administration. This approach will illuminate the yearning needs of the people of the Niger Delta, identify the Commission's challenges, and prefer workable solutions.
Earlier in his welcome address, Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Niger Delta Development, Dr. Shuaib Belgore, reminded members of the NDDC governing board that they had been saddled with a critical national assignment that must be carried out with their wealth of experience.
That the newly constituted board brings together a wealth of experience, expertise, as well as dedication. We are optimistic that this board will lead the Commission towards achieving its objectives and making a lasting impact on the lives of people in the Niger Delta region and Nigeria at large.
Immediately after the board inauguration, friends and close associates of Dr. Samuel Obuku, the newly inaugurated Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, held a reception in his honor. The reception was in acknowledgement of Dr. Obuku's focused leadership, which earned him reappointment under the Tinubu administration. It will be recalled that Dr. Obuku had earlier been inaugurated as Managing Director of the NDDC in January this year, under the administration of former President Muhammadu Buhari. Speaking during the reception, Dr. Obuku said the NDDC, under his leadership in the last 11 months, had regained public trust and confidence as an intervention agency.
We met an NDDC which was a little bit dysfunctional, and in that dysfunctional nature of NDDC, we worked hard, and today NDDC has been put in proper perspective. That today, NDDC, which was abandoned by even most of the IOCs and partners, today most of those IOCs and partners are rushing to NDDC for partnership.
During its inauguration, the NDDC management team signed a performance agreement with the Honorable Engineer Momo, whose ministry supervises the NDDC. For the Honorable Minister, the inauguration signifies not just a change in leadership, but a renewed commitment to the betterment of the lives of the people of the Niger Delta.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,